You're in a cramped office, surrounded by tangled wires and frustrated programmers arguing over spaghetti code. Erich Gamma and his co-authors pause not to add more rules but to pull out a secret weapon, design patterns, a toolkit of proven blueprints for object-oriented software. What if there was a way to skip the headaches and copy reuse, elegance, and flexibility from tried-and-true templates? Stick around, this is where software design stops being a guessing game. First, imagine software design as architecture, chaotic without blueprints. Enter patterns, the building blocks that tame complexity with elegance. Back in the early 90s, Gamma and his crew scoured mountains of code from places like Xerox PARC. They found recurring solutions hiding in plain sight, but no one had ever named or cataloged them. By naming patterns like Observer or Singleton, they handed programmers a shared language. Suddenly what used to feel like guesswork became a map everyone could follow. Think of a Swiss Army knife, compact, versatile, and ready for common problems. Patterns aren't heady concepts locked in ivory towers. No, these are concrete, ready-to-use blueprints that solve day-to-day design puzzles. Like the lever or wedge in engineering, they simplify complexity by working with the problem's shape, not against it. Using patterns transforms a team's workflow radically. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you borrow proven, reusable elements, drastically reducing debugging nightmares. It's not just about speed. It's about creating software that's durable and adaptable, much like how architects reuse window or door designs that have stood the test of time. What if patterns were just theory? Gamma et al. Prove otherwise. They're battle-tested on real projects, shaping software every day. In the digital trenches, the observer pattern shines, used to keep GUIs updated live without tangled code. For example, a stock trading app in the 90s needed price tickers and charts to refresh instantly across multiple windows. Observer set up a clean chain of notification, add or remove a listener anytime without breaking the system. It's like having a savvy messenger delivering updates precisely when needed. The Decorator pattern is your stealthy coat rack. You slide in new behavior like adding layers of clothing without changing the person underneath. Picture a text editor with spell check, grammar, and formatting extensions. Instead of rewriting the whole editor for each feature, Decorator wraps functionality seamlessly, allowing infinite flexibility without a code avalanche. Ever struggled with creating objects where the type isn't known until runtime? Enter the factory pattern, a clever assembly line that churns out objects on demand without exposing creation details. It's like ordering a coffee. You specify black or latte, but you don't care how the barista makes it. This keeps your design clean, pluggable, and ready for change. The real magic: patterns don't just solve problems, they reinvent your mindset, making software more elegant, maintainable, and team-friendly. Design patterns often emphasize decoupling, breaking dependencies so parts change independently. It's like replacing knotted strings with modular Lego bricks. You swap or upgrade one block without shaking the entire structure. This reduces the notorious spaghetti code and invites cleaner, clearer design that everyone can follow. The authors are honest, patterns come with trade-offs. For instance, using a pattern like Singleton ensures one global instance but can introduce hidden dependencies if abused. It's like having a powerful tool with a sharp edge. Knowing when to use it or step back is crucial. This honesty helps you pick the right pattern for your problem, not blindly follow dogma. Ultimately, patterns aren't laws carved in stone. They're a versatile toolbox. Pick what fits. Like an architect choosing materials for different projects, you blend, tweak, and combine patterns creatively. This flexibility is what shifts design from tedious to inspired, empowering you to create software that doesn't just work but feels right. Remember that cramped office we started in? Imagine it now with a design patterns catalog open on the desk, conversations flowing easily as everyone speaks the same language. That's the power of these patterns. They don't just save you time, they change how you think about design itself. Next time you face a gnarly code problem, pause and ask, is there a pattern that's already solved this? Try pulling out your own blueprint today. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.